Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Sean and this is RFDHobby, and today we're going to be looking at something completely different, and I'm going to be unboxing an RC car, which is another one of my passions. I'm going to be unboxing one today. I've been really looking forward to getting my hands on one of these, so I hope you enjoy this video as much as I do. If you're wondering why everything around here is looking quite different, that's because I'm currently house sitting. It turns out it's really easy to go house sitting when you don't have a house to sit in, so I am currently here for the next few weeks. I have brought a few things with me, but hopefully I'll be able to keep you entertained with a couple of videos that I have planned for the next few weeks. Let's get stuck into this one now and I'll show you what I got my hands on. Alright, so here it is guys. This is the Kyosho Fazer Mark II. This is a 1/10 scale radio controlled vehicle. This comes ready to run. The only thing you need to get for this will be some batteries. Now you can see here, this is the Nissan Skyline 2000 GT-R. Now this is the KPGC10 model. This is one of the very first Nissan Skylines that actually came out. So this was released between 69 and 73, this Skyline GT-R. And they are now quite an iconic vehicle. This particular model in real life, there was very few of these made, I think under 2000. It's a beautiful looking car. It looks like Kyosho have put on quite a few extras here. Hopefully we're going to get this out and have a look, and it's going to look as good as it does on the box. Okay, so we can see here on the back of the box some of the details of this model. We do have, as I said, it is ready to run, so it does include your controller, a receiver. We've got a 60 amp ESC in there, a 550 brushed 14-turn motor. This is bearings all the way throughout here, and you've got oil shocks. These are not screw downs, but they are adjustable, so you do get some spaces for your shocks in there. You can see the internal here, which we'll have a closer look at shortly. Also the rear end of the vehicle on the box, which also looks really, really nice. This has got some licensed wheels, and we'll take a look at that as soon as I get it out of the box. Alright, here we go guys. Now take a look at this thing. This is gorgeous. I've just peeled the plastic off. You can see here the detailing on here is just beautiful. The grille here has a GT-R badge. We do have lights and light wells here, so we can add in LEDs if we want to. Now as I mentioned, these are licensed wheels on here as well. We've also got quite a few bits on the bonnet here on the front, so we've got our rear view mirrors. A molded plastic. We've also got some wiper blades on the front which look fantastic. Door handles are stickered, same as the fuel cap there, but these flares on the side are actually molded and attached separately. Same goes here for your spoiler on the back, as well as these beautiful little badges. The Skyline sticker is a sticker here, as well as here, but this GT-R badges around the vehicle are attached on there. Now, as I said, these are light wells here, so in the body you are able to mount LEDs in here if you want to. These ones down the back here, whilst these are clear plastic attached onto the bumper, I don't believe these are ready for LEDs in there. Let's get the body off and take a bit of a look. Man, how good does that look? So underneath, I will take a quick look in here. Now as you can see, things like your wiper blades, rear view mirrors, now they're attached with clips. They can easily be removed. We've also got little clips here for these flares on the side of the body, but everything there is attached really well. Hex screws for our front and rear bumpers, so that's really good to see. The front here we do have oil-filled shocks. There are spaces provided. There's not a lot of adjustment that I can see here in the arms for this one, but that's okay. For the price, we're not looking at a touring car racer or anything like that, or a pro drift car. We are just looking for something mostly to put on my shelf, to be honest, because this thing looks so good. So we have our steering servo up in the front here with an on-off switch for the power, which is really good. A 60 amp ESC. Now this will take LiPo or nickel metal hydride. I believe it's only rated up to 2S, but sometimes you can squeeze these things to a 3S. Although with the 550 motor here, I don't think we're going to need to go to 3S on this one at all. So it is four-wheel drive. It has a front and rear differential, plastic drive shaft. The battery tray here looks really good too. This is going to take anything you want to put in there. There's plenty of room. Alright, now when it comes to your radio for this one, you do get this really cool Kyosho controller here. I believe this is a 3-channel. It does have your standard buttons on the top here, so you have your steering and throttle, dual rates and trims. It just seems to adjust the amount of throttle you have access to, so that's handy as well. This should be good. No batteries for this one included in the kit, but as I mentioned, apart from batteries, this is completely ready to run. Nice controller, beautiful looking car, really, really nice. I'm hesitant, very, very hesitant to take this out and actually run it, to be honest with you, because it looks so nice and I will probably crash it. But as the old saying goes, we're not here to fuck spiders.